Welcome you all in your English learning channel. Today we will learn external body parts. You also repeat after me. Body, body,
body, body,
head, head,
head, head,
hair, hair,
hair, hair,
ear, ear,
ear, ear,
eye, eye,
eye, eye,
mouth, mouth,
mouth, mouth,
nose, nose,
nose, nose,
neck, neck,
neck, neck,
tooth, tooth,
tooth, tooth,
shoulder, shoulder,
shoulder, shoulder,
chest, chest,
chest, chest,
breast, breast,
breast, breast,
elbow, elbow,
elbow, elbow,
arm, arm,
arm, arm,
finger, finger,
finger, finger,
hand, hand,
hand, hand,
hip, hip,
hip, hip,
leg, leg,
leg, leg,
ankle, ankle,
ankle, ankle,
toe, toe,
toe, toe,
foot, foot.
foot, foot.
For more educational videos like, subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want the notes for written practice or any other type of video, write your email ID in comment box.